Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you beautiful coconut shell crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is reverse. These handcraft coconut shell lamp are truly stunning. The lights shine through the covered patterns and create magical shadow. Take a look at this beautiful coconut shell wall hanging. They add a nature and artist touch to any wall. And the viewers and the imagination ideas friends. And viewers, these cute animal crafts made from coconut shell are fun and easy to create. They are perfect for kids and beginners. And viewers, friends, my next idea is viewers. And friends, coconut shell jewelry is very popular. Necklaces, earring, bracelet made from coconut shell look stylish and natural. And viewers, my next idea is weavers. And friends,